The story of ballpen.
The ballpoint pen, also known as a biro or ballpen, is a modern writing instrument that uses a tiny ball made of metal, brass, or tungsten carbide to transfer ink to paper. The ballpoint pen was invented in 1938 by Hungarian journalist Laszlo Biro, who wanted to create a pen that was cleaner, smoother, and more reliable than the popular fountain pens of the time. Biro and his brother, Georgi, began working on a new type of pen that used a tiny ball instead of a nib. The ball was made of a hard material, such as tungsten carbide, and was held in place by a socket. The ink in the pen was thick and viscous, so it would not leak or run when the ball was rotating. When the pen was pressed against paper, the ball would rotate, picking up ink from the pen's reservoir and transferring it to the paper. This allowed for a cleaner, smoother, and more consistent writing experience. The Biro brothers filed a patent for their invention in 1938 and began producing the pens in Argentina. The ballpoint pen quickly became popular. By the 1950s, it had become the standard writing instrument.
Today, ballpoint pens are used worldwide, and they come in various sizes, colors, and styles.
They are one of the most common writing instruments and are used in schools, offices, and homes.
Don't forget to click like and comment with your suggestions and reaction about the story. Thank you.